All right, let's bring your workflow to life by connecting it to an agent. First, save your workflow by hitting that Save button in the top right corner. Scroll down to the right column. Here, you'll pick which agent runs this workflow. You can assign it to an existing one, or create a brand new agent. Let's make a new one. Click Create Agent. Give your agent a name, something catchy like Sneaker Scout or Deal Hunter. Next, fill in the ticker field. This is your agent's token symbol, like its little stock ticker. Add a quick description so people know what it does. Now pick the agent type, like research or automation. Time to attach your workflow. Just select it from your saved list. Choose if you want this agent public or private. Your call. Oh, and don't forget to upload an image. Gotta make it look professional. When everything's set, click Create. Boom. Now check the marketplace. Your agent's chilling under My Agents. Click to open its page. You'll see its rating, activity logs, even a token chart. And just like that, you're live.